Hey you, so let's talk about 5 easy beauty business ideas that you can start in 2021. Okay, so first one, you can do what I personally do currently, which is freelance hair and makeup. This is easy to get started. All you need is you can actually start a website or some type of booking system through Instagram actually, and you can list your prices. If you want me to make a video about how to price your packages or your styles, let me know. You can join Facebook groups to talk about it there. This is super easy to start, especially if you already have these skills. It's like, why not start and put them to good use? This next one, which is kind of exciting and one that I haven't really thought about, but I have done some work with it in the past, is write or start like a beauty blog. In the past, I've done blogs where I wrote about products I was using, different tools I was using, and shared it with a company, and I was able to get published on their website. But you can definitely start your own blog. There's so much natural hair knowledge, makeup knowledge that needs to be shared with the world that you can do this too. So we've all been there before, where we've made our own homemade mixtures, especially when it comes to natural hair. I have so many DIY avocado hair masks on my channel that if I wanted to start my own business selling homemade products, that I could do it easily, getting qualified products, mix them on their own and see who's willing to buy. Common ones that I see are oils, body butters, some other cream products for your hair, but there are so many options. So if you have the tools, or if you have the skills of creating your own products, then this one is for you. So this one I've been wanting to do for some time now, but I have just not got around to it. But it's the perfect idea for somebody who would want to do it. You can sell gently used hair products. So for example, when I was thinking of this, I was thinking, okay, I could have people donate their products to me and they get something in return, or it could be like a product exchange. And the way you would make money is that, the products that people don't use, you can sell to, not businesses, but you can sell to people who, may not want to buy a whole bottle at a very discounted rate. Or you can work with homeless shelters or other places that need gently used products. This is such a huge market, and it's definitely a market that has not been tapped into yet. But you can do it if you have the space and the opportunity to kind of create those logistics pieces. That's kind of the part that has made me put it off for so long. It's like thinking about what the logistics would look like, but it's the perfect opportunity for someone. Leave a comment down below if you're still with me and you like videos like this. The last one that is fun, and if you have the patience, you should totally do, but you can make and sell wigs. There's such a huge market for wigs. And then on top of that, if you know how to install them, that's an additional pay as well. But making the wigs is so huge. So if you like doing hair, you're trying to think of how else you can incorporate hair into your business, selling wigs is the way to go. And it's so huge right now. Like, nobody wants to do their hair. I was just thinking the other day, like, I wanted to buy a wig, and I was just like, let me look up where I can get a wig at. That was the last beauty business idea. I hope these ideas were helpful. If you already have one of these businesses, or you're considering starting one of them, leave a comment down below and let us know your ideas so that we can strive and grow together. Like I said, I am a freelance hair and makeup artist, so that is the beauty business I am running, and I will be sharing all tips and tricks to beauty entrepreneurs and beauty entrepreneurs who are in the 9-to-5 workspace. So make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!